Hey, what's up guys, it's TechSummer talking to you here, and in today's video I will talk about my experience with the AirPods Max in 2022, especially late 2022. And of course, should you buy the AirPods Max in 2022 or should you simply just wait and see if Apple releases a new pair of these devices? Mark Gurman on the beginning of this year's summer talked about the fact that the AirPods Max could see new colors. Right now you have several colors available. You have this black, you have the whites, you have the greens, and if I'm not mistaken you have some pinks also, but I think that's it. That's the AirPods Max color lineup. But these AirPods are, in my opinion, the best headphones I've ever had. Yes, I've really enjoyed my time with my AirPods Pro. If you want to compare these two devices, I have a video on my channel doing that. But if you do enjoy using your AirPods Max, you will enjoy using your AirPods Pro and vice versa. Of course, the AirPods Max are bulkier, heavier, and there are some people that do not enjoy the form factor of having a pair of headphones. They prefer earphones, and so they go and gravitate for the AirPods Pro. Of course, now with the launch of the AirPods Pro 2, a lot of people are asking themselves, should I buy the AirPods Max even on a discount? Because now, if you don't know, the AirPods Max are sold on a very big discount. If you don't know, the AirPods Max have been selling for around $400 now on Amazon, and even you can find them cheap, like $350 on Amazon, refurbished. Be careful with that. Sometimes there might be some troubles with them, but from my experience, I bought these AirPods for half the price from Amazon, and they are amazing. Still, in 2022. So I'm very happy with the price of the AirPods Max. In 2022, I will evaluate these headphones, these AirPods Max, by the price that they are right now, not by the price that they have been selling since they were launched, which was $500 or $550. So yeah, today's video, I will recap my experience with the AirPods Max, advise you should buy them or not, or even should simply spend less money, go for the AirPods Pro 2. Although, in my opinion, if you are looking for the AirPods Max, there's a reason that you want some headphones, mainly the comfort. So let's talk about it, the AirPods Max 2022. If you do like my types of videos, if you do enjoy my channel, please not forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. That will really help me out reach 1,000 subscribers until the end of the year. Right now, seems kind of tough, but I still believe I can do it. So help me out, let's reach 1,000 subscribers. So no further ado, let's get started. So, the AirPods Max were released in 2020 on a press release. And now, 2 years later, around the same timeline, these headphones have been still the best of their lineups. Still, they are uncomparable against Sony's XM5s. They are the best sound quality, the best noise cancellation, the best transparency modes on the industry. So, after 2 years, these headphones are still the best quality built in general. So, in my experience with the AirPods Max, I have no complaints about the build. Yeah, these AirPods are premium, they are easy to put on, easy to take off, they press your head in a way that is very comfortable to put on, they just sit very comfortably on your head, and they're passively cancellation on their noise. So they are very comfortable to use. The headband is also made of this thin mesh material, which is very conforming to your head size. I think that this is the best and most comfortable pair of headphones I've ever used. The only problem with the AirPods Max though is their heaviness. Like, they are heavy, really heavy. They weigh around 346 grams, which is a lot. These headphones are very heavy if you compare them against plastic competitors, because these headphones are made of aluminium. So they are very premium to touch on. They have these aluminium cups, which they are made of. You can hear the sound of the aluminium banging together. They have these mesh, like magnetic cups, which are interchangeable. You can buy different colors and put them here, so they are customizable. A lot of problems on these headphones first stand out to be like condensation inside of them, but after using them for several times, I never seen any types of condensation on these headphones. So I don't see where that problem began. Maybe some here and the first models had that problem, but for me, I've sweated on these AirPods a ton and I have not had any problems. The only thing that I do not recommend you though is to buy these AirPods expecting that they are good for example, doing sports, running around, jumping around, even going to the gym. Maybe going to the gym is possible, but they are still very heavy. So I do recommend you going for the AirPods Pro if that's for you. The AirPods Pro 2 now, they have amazing noise cancellation, amazing transparency mode, and amazing sound quality, which is very much improved over the AirPods Pro first generation that I have. I have not bought the AirPods Pro 2. I don't think it's right for me to buy the AirPods Pro 2. Like, they are $249. I have AirPods Max, which are my favorite high-end headphones, and then I have the AirPods Pro, which are my fast food headphones. Let's just say that. Like, I just need them to go to the gym very quick. Just need them for walk, to run. I don't need the highest end of sound quality. I just need good noise cancellation, good battery life, and good and very lightness, portability. So yes, the AirPods Pro first generation served me that, and when I do really need that extra noise cancellation, that extra sound quality, the AirPods Max fill that gap perfectly. So I have a very good combo of the AirPods Pro with the AirPods Max, which is the best scenario of them all. So I don't really need to buy the AirPods Pro 2 right now. When my AirPods Pro fail, I will buy the 2. But right now, the AirPods Max, they just fill the gap. And I think this will be a very long-lasting pair of headphones. The build quality is insane. The battery life is also very good. The only thing that I do not enjoy about this design is the case. I would like to have a better case. That case is kind of sucks. It's flimsy. It does not protect your AirPods Max that much. It does not allow them to fold, because the one piece of this design that I actually don't really enjoy is the fact that you cannot fold the cups. You can just put them in, which is actually very, very, very hard, because it's a very high-end quality and you feel the quality of the materials, but it's not as easy to fold them. You can't simply fold them. So to store them, you have to turn them sideways and put the case on, and that's how you store them. I don't enjoy the case. I think the case is very flimsy. I keep it on my backpack when I want to put them there, together with my MacBook, so they don't scratch each other. But other than that, I just use them without the case. Another design fault about these AirPods Max is the fact that they do not stay on the low power mode when they are off the case. So they are spending more battery than they should. Apple should just launch the software update and fix this. It's been 2 years. I'm not hopeful they will do that. But with the new pair of AirPods Max in the works, I believe, I want Apple to make them a version of very good high quality plastic, but lighter, for people that just want a cheaper version of the AirPods Max for doing sports. I really enjoy these AirPods Max. They are the best in terms of sound quality and noise cancellation. So let's talk about the features that make the AirPods Max the AirPods Max. Let's talk about noise cancellation first. The noise cancellation and transparency mode are the best features of these headphones by far. Like, the sound quality is good. You don't have lossless, but the sound quality is really, really good. With Dolby Atmos, this becomes one of the best pair of headphones on the market. You can just see movies on Dolby Atmos and hear them like on the cinema. It's just insane how good the sound quality on these AirPods are. But the biggest feature, like I was telling you, is the noise cancellation and the transparency mode, especially the transparency mode. The noise cancellation here is good as the AirPods Pro 2, and some reviewers are telling people that the AirPods Pro 2 have better noise cancellation than these ones. I might disagree, I might not disagree. In my experience, the noise cancellation here has been more than perfect. I just put them on, and when I'm on the street, the noise cancellation, like, I cannot hear the cars, I cannot hear the people, the noise of the city. I just hear the music, and that's what I want on my noise cancellation headphones. Even when I go on a plane, a very, very filled up bus, some public transport that is very noisy and loud, I do really enjoy the AirPods Max noise cancellation. But when I do really need the transparency mode, I just click on the button here and it's all different. Now I can hear everything just perfectly, and it's just so insane how good the transparency mode really is. So, like, it's so natural feeling that you almost don't feel like you are wearing headphones, and you kind of forgot if it wasn't for the weight. It's even better than the AirPods Pro. Like, if I want to put it on a scale, imagine the AirPods Pro 2 transparency mode and then 20% better, in my opinion. I've tried the AirPods Pro first generation transparency mode. Reviewers are saying that the transparency mode on the AirPods Pro 2 is about the same. So imagine 25% to 20% better transparency mode. Like, everything you just hear better and clearer than if you didn't have the AirPods Max on. So the noise cancellation and transparency modes on the AirPods Max are really, really good. Now I have a demo to show you how they work, how good they are, and in an airplane setting, which I do believe is the most active and most used version of noise cancellation on the AirPods Max, the noise needs to be cancelled on a plane, babies crying, the plane noise and the motor noise and everything. I did a demo when I first reviewed these AirPods Max, and I will show you right now to see how they work. So enjoy this demo, and it took me a lot of work to do. So leave a like on the channel for that.
New launch carrier liners need to go in the overhead compartments, your smaller ones, underneath the seat in front of you, keeping all engines and aisles clear. If you need assistance, please contact the flight attendant.
After you heard that demo, it's pretty clear how good they are. Now you have a real expectation how good they are, if they are worth the $400 that you will be probably spending on these AirPods. The color though, I do enjoy this black. I think that the black is the most beautiful one. The white is the classic AirPods color. I think that the green and the pink are kind of weird. And then you have the blue, which is even weirder. I mean, if you do enjoy the types of colors, then go for it. I do really enjoy the black, and I think that in every single way, these headphones are insane. Even the microphones are good. I think that at the end of the day, these AirPods are good for listening to casual music, to going for a walk, very slow paced walks. Do not do sports with it, do not sweat with them. It's not comfortable. They will accumulate very much sweat in your ear because it's a headphone, it's not an earphone. And then in terms of design, they are portable, not as portable as they could be, like I told you, if they fold up the design. And then of course, they are heavy, but in my opinion, that just gives it a premium feeling, so it's not of a big downside. If you do enjoy very light and very comfortable headphones on your head, maybe the AirPods Max are not for you. They are quite heavy, actually, much more heavy than the Sony XM5s and the Bose headphones. So in 2022 and late 2022, should you buy these AirPods Max? Well, the only thing that I see Apple doing with the new generation of these AirPods Max is maybe interchangeable tips here, so you can change the color. Maybe interchangeable cups, like new design for these cups instead of aluminum plastic, and interchangeable ones. And maybe noise cancellation improves like 2 times, just like the AirPods Pro 2, and then the sound quality improves a tiny bit. But you reach a point where it's like diminishing returns. How much can you improve until it's not worth it? Even if you notice just a tiny bit, how much is worth it over $200? For now, you can get the AirPods Max for around $349 refurbished or $399 new on Amazon. How much is worth it buying the new generation? Even if they come out tomorrow, how much is worth it to spend the extra $200 on, or even $350 on a new pair of AirPods Max 2? If these AirPods Max are still very good, the only downside also is the fact that the cable costs extra. I don't have the cable to connect here and use the computer with them, so they have no latency. But I edit videos with this. I don't find the latency annoying. I don't play games, so I don't really mind that. Of course, if you do need that extra performance, that extra tip of performance, then go and buy the cable. It's $40 or $30, but I mean, it's very expensive. It's not worth it to buy. But at the end of the day, I do enjoy the AirPods Max. I do recommend them in 2022. They are a very comfortable pair of headphones, and in my opinion, the best pair of headphones ever made. I see some downsides. They are expensive, but if you put the price aside, they are not the best value, but they are the best ones ever made. They do not support lossless audio, do not support audiophile features like completely flat audio to edit videos, but to enjoy music and listen to music, I don't think there's any better. These cost $349 right now, $399 on Amazon. I will have a link down in the description below. If you want to buy them and support the channel, you will find them on a discount. It's probably even cheaper if you don't find that discount, and you will help me support me on my video journey. But the AirPods Max, like I told you, I recommend them in 2022. If you do really like them and need a very good pair of headphones, and if you do really like the comfort, the premium feel, and the features of noise cancellation, transparency mode, if you do prioritize all the stuff like portability, sports, if you want to use it doing sports, then I recommend you going for the AirPods Pro 2. But at the end of the day, the AirPods Max, I still recommend them in 2022. Even if Apple releases the second generation, I will still recommend these ones. And even if they do that, think about it, the AirPods Max first generation will be cheaper. So it's a win-win situation. If you do enjoy these headphones, do not be afraid to buy them. I recommend them. My experience has been great, and I will keep using them. So do not forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and tell me in the comments down below what you think about the AirPods Max, if you do like them or not. Are they too heavy? Are they too bulky? And are they too pricey? Let me know all of that on the comments down below. For me, I will just put the headphones on and keep listening to music. Thank you guys for watching. This has been Tech Summer talking to you here. Bye.